Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dilip. If you have gone through my yesterday's video, I was speaking about Nifty and Bank Nifty futures. There is a good possibility of one more lower low, and yesterday's low itself is not very strong in Nifty. For any kind of further down move, you need to watch for 22,900 levels. This is the 6th June value area high. So what happened today is price itself has opened gap up above the yesterday's single print, and immediately in the first 30 minutes it came down strongly and covered the gap whatever is there. Then again there was a strong up move in the second 30 minutes, and then again there was a higher high, but then prices started coming down. Why the prices went up, again why the prices came down, you have the answers in order flow. As the price is going up, what happened, it has left a good of 148 unfinished business. First thing. Second thing is there is a good amount of imbalance at yesterday's down spike. They act as strong resistance levels, and at the same time around 10:45 where the price has made morning high, as the prices made high, there is not much of passive buying. If you look on left side, there is not much of strong passive buying, whereas aggressive buying is very strong. And at top there was a 2.1k buyer who got trapped. So this trapped buyer, once he starts unwinding, the prices goes down. That is what happened. And once the previous low is broken, the prices will go for the yesterday's low, which is again a poor low, which I was mentioning in yesterday's video. Single print from June 7th acted as a very good support, and at the same time under 23,000, if you have gone OI at this point of time, there was a strong put writing, 1 crore put writing, which is a very strong support, and then prices reversed. And also at 2 o'clock we have HDFC Bank results. So these HDFC Bank results, there is a good possibility it will bring volatility into the markets. And as the prices started making lower low at 12:15, if you look at, there is a 1.7k passive buyer, and right side volumes are not there, and the down move itself is a good divergence here. Despite of 1.2k selling, prices have closed above. So this says some buyers are coming in at the lower levels. So there was a lower low to take out the weak longs here. So whoever have observed this green candle, people would have entered early, and to take out them, prices came down, made a lower low, and then around 1:45 2 o'clock prices started making higher high with a strong buying imbalances. So with this, the prices will likely go for the highs, because morning itself there was a acceptance inside yesterday's value area. So whenever you see acceptance happening and then prices going with the other side, most often guys, prices will return back into that accepted value area within 3 to 5 days. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is, today if you look at Nifty itself is a neutral extreme day. Price is closing above the single print. Because of all these reasons, there is a good possibility, if at all global market doesn't turn strongly negative, Nifty might go for the ledge area, which I was discussing yesterday at 23,325 levels. And there is also a possibility, guys, it might even go for 23,380 levels. To go beyond this 23,380 to 400 levels, there is a strong call rating around these levels, and strong unwinding has to be there. So if at all there is going to be a strong unwinding tomorrow itself, we might see strong up all the way up to 23,600. For down move, as I said, this level 22,900 levels, it stands. There has to be a clean close below these levels on 30 minutes to 1 hour, then 22,780 levels, and even election results day high at 22,650 we might see. So this is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, what I was speaking yesterday is, there is a mechanical reference at 48,330 levels, and it's very likely prices will go for this. This is what I was speaking. And at the same time, I was also mentioning, look for any acceptance inside yesterday's value area. If at all that happens, there is a possibility sideway market might be there, and the prices touching this, that might be extended for one more day, because the big players will hold the levels for one more day. Today, if you look at Bank Nifty has opened inside the value area, first sign of locals taking control at the open, and there was a strong acceptance in C period. There is a failed auction, and whenever you see these failed auctions, generally there will be a deep pullback, and the pullback itself has happened in the same candle. And with failed auction, when you see prices breaking the other side of the IB, which is the at 48,540 levels, you will see 100% range extension. So from this point, there was a 100% range extension of more than 310 points, and the low is at 48,190 levels. I was also warning in my previous videos, if you go back, unless prices closes below this 48,100 levels, there is a good possibility turnaround might be there. If you go on to market profile on order flow, there are several signs that there could be a clear turnaround at some point of time. So first thing is that, guys, the acceptance inside yesterday's value area. Not only this, if you look at, there is a one time framing market from C period all the way down to 115 candles. So these one time framing markets, it doesn't happen very often. It happens 5% of the time. So which means you can eliminate the possibility of pure one time framing market prices going down. And third thing, guys, if you look at here, the price is continuously closing above the imbalances. So here it has closed like that, here it has closed like that, here it has closed like that, and here also price is closing above the cot, here also same thing. So all this indicated some absorption is happening at lower levels. Around 145, strong turnaround was there because of HDFC results were out, and there was a strong buying imbalances, and prices have broken the previous high, giving you a strong buying opportunity. There was a higher high, and prices started going into the yesterday's value area. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is that, again, just like Nifty, even Bank Nifty is a neutral extreme day. Prices closing at the highs unless global markets turn strongly negative. 49,200 is almost confirmed. But at the same time, I will also warn you guys, today's low itself is not very strong. A strong low should show some good excess here. So that is not there. So this is what concerns me for tomorrow or in the next coming couple of days. Once there is a 280R range extension or 200% IB extension, prices either totally reverses or there could be a deep pullback. Because Bank Nifty is still within the previous multi-day balance, there is a good possibility once the prices gets rejected around 49,800 to 50,000 levels, there could be again lower low coming and clearing this poor low. For any kind of further down move, there has to be a clear decisive breakout below these levels. So any breakout below these levels, easily 48,000, and we might even see value area low from 5th June. So Bank Nifty itself has already got accepted inside this supply zone, and because of this, once the prices decisively breaks this area 48,000 levels, it might go for 47,500 to 47,000 levels. So for this to happen, there has to be a strong event which brings that volatility, which is going to be on budget day. So this is with the Bank Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.